Hi and hello, job aspirants. Welcome to the Job Alert channel. Job Alert was created to help job aspirants be notified of new job notifications related to the central, state, PSUs, railway, teaching, and engineering sectors. The Job Alert channel aims to create videos of very short length, typically 3 to 4 minutes or even less. We value the precious time of every job aspirant. Yet these videos convey essential information about every job notification we received. We request that you watch our channel videos, and if you find them helpful, please encourage us by sharing and subscribing to our channel videos along with your peers. We hope every job applicant will benefit from the content we create. Thank you for your valuable time.